Every single day you wait, someone your age is getting richer while you stay stuck. Not because they're smarter, not because they're luckier, but because they escaped something you're still trapped in. And today, you're going to see exactly what the trap is. Look around you. Some people your age are saving, investing, building skills, and stacking income streams. Meanwhile, others are standing still, repeating the same year over and over again. If you don't understand the reason you're stuck, you'll repeat that same year too. The real reason you're broke isn't your salary. It's the psychological system you're trapped in. It's called the hedonic treadmill. You make more money, you spend more money, you feel exactly the same. You upgrade your phone, your clothes, your lifestyle, but your bank account still flat. You've been programmed to trade time for money, but your time is limited, so your income will always be limited too. And here's the worst part. Most people never escape this. They grind their whole life without building even one income stream. That grows without them. Another trap, lifestyle debt. The moment you earn a little more, you upgrade your life and boom, your payments upgrade too. You think you're improving your life, but you're actually renting a richer lifestyle that you can't afford. And here's the trap that keeps everyone stuck, the distraction economy. You're watching people who make money from their content, while losing the hours you could use to build your own. Every hour you scroll is an hour you lose forever. Here's the truth. You're not broke because of your job. You're broke because you're playing the wrong game. You were never taught to build assets, only taught to work harder. But harder work doesn't break the cycle. Only smarter systems do. Here's how people escape. 1. Learn one high-value skill: copywriting, editing AI tools, sales, SMMA. Just one. One skill can change your whole life. 2. Build one income stream, not linked to your hours content. Affiliate marketing, freelance, product, anything that scales. 3. Start investing consistently, small amounts, big results over time. The moment your money starts working for you, you stop living paycheck to paycheck. And here's the part people regret the most. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to escape the cycle. Your future depends on what you do right now, not tomorrow, not someday, today. If you want to stop being stuck and finally take control of your money, follow CapitalPath for more financial awareness. And if you want tools, guides, and resources to start today, check the website link in the description.